And ముందుగా నాకు ఇన్వైట్ చేసినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. Actually, it's truly a matter of pride for me to be standing here for a lot of reasons. First, because it is for a cause that is something that I truly hold extremely close to my heart. Being a woman, on an everyday basis, we women are fighting against so many things. And when it comes to healthcare, I think that is one less thing we should not be worried about ever. And I'm so grateful to have this opportunity today to be here, to be a part of something extremely special. And that is about creating awareness and being a part of doing something such as amazing as this, which is regarding HPV vaccination that we are here today. In women, I think the two most common cancers that we see in today's time, one is breast cancer and the other is cervical cancer, if I'm not wrong, with the maximum cases being seen every year. And most of it can actually be cured. But because a lot of people do not have awareness regarding it or the means regarding which it can be treated is something that is holding them back to have a healthy lifestyle. So I think that is where Apollo and Cure Foundation and a wonderful team of doctors that is here today is here at your service to be able to give you that life and that lifestyle of health. And I come from a medical background myself, and I think it is a matter of pride to say that I know how hard it is to be able to work towards and fight against something which is created as a matter of taboo in the society. So I think it's time we break it one step and one day at a time, and that starts by creating awareness. And I think Esther very wonderfully said about how we can protect, prevent and prevail, which is basically written here as the motto as well. And that happens when we come together and create awareness. So firstly, I would like to thank Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy sir for having me here, and the esteemed doctors that are here who are working day and night to be able to do that and to make this mission that you have taken forward a success. I am so happy and so fortunate to be able to see, and when sir was telling me certain stories of cancer patients and how they came out of it, and it's truly inspiring to see people fight against cancer and come out happy, healthy. And we just had two patient survivors, cancer survivors, who told their story. It truly means a lot. Thank you so much for sharing your stories. And I really hope that with this initiative that that Sir has taken, and Cure Foundation and Apollo Institute has taken, it really helps us come one step closer to curing cancer and not having to worry about this one thing ever. So I'm truly, truly grateful. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you to all the doctors who are working endlessly to make this happen. Thank you.